Hello everybody and welcome back to another reassembly video. Today we are continuing Season 1 with the Terran. We left off with me finally being able to have the Mothership. Now it doesn't go forward very fast, but it can go back very quickly, which is nice. But that engine just looks awesome. Look at that. Beautiful. Now, first order of action is make different types of drones, I think. So that we can have a swarm, because I really want a swarm. I think this will be more of a, like, defense one. A defense... I'll have three. I'll have an attacking drone, a defense drone, and a sort of gathering drone, I guess you'd call it. We need that. And then... How am I going to do this? I do not know. Maybe we could go for a sort of hammerhead design? Maybe? Could work out. We could put maybe a missile launcher in there. No, I want more hull. I want it to be very hully, I guess you could call it. Well, I mean, you couldn't really call it that because that doesn't really sound nice. But we are going to have decent... Well, you don't really need that much reverse thrust. We'll have some hull on... Oh, that kind of looks nice. Yeah, what if we have that? Can't really do that. But we can have thrusters. There we go. More thrusters there, maybe. What else? This has purely only got defense cannons, which isn't good. So we need to change that. Maybe an autocannon there? Maybe? For defense? Yeah, why not? Bindings. Yeah, that's fine. We want at least a bit of turning capability, so I guess we'll put that there. Let's call this the defense drone, I guess. Exit save. Torpedo drone, we'll just rename that to attack drone, exit save, and then the last drone will basically just be a harvester drone, I guess. 2 containers up like that. I might even make it sort of look like a miniature version of the Mothership, maybe. It will have a little bit of defense, I think, in the form of these very small defense cannons, but it won't have any other defense. I keep on pressing the wrong button. Okay. So, if we make this very maneuverable, we should get a good result. That doesn't really cut it, does it? If we made it as small as that, then put... That doesn't really work. You kinda have to do this. If we did that, and then that, maybe. We could, once again, maybe. If we do that, we can't fit it there. And that kinda looks cool, and I like it like that. But we still have other stuff that we really need to complete. We could put that on the back. I don't want to spend too much time building, because last time I did that I spent a whole entire episode making something. So we don't want to do that. I think I will go with this. We can just do that. It doesn't have to be beautiful. It just has to work. Lots of turning, bit of reverse. Call this Harvester. I forgot the H. Harvester drone. Exit, save. So we have the attack drone, the defense drone, and the harvester drone. And I think I'll put the... I need to change its name. But there'll be harvester drone, because Mothership can pretty much defend itself. A defense drone... Oh, I forgot to... There we go. And the reason I do that is that it makes 2 attack drones and then the harvester drone, instead of just doing other things. Now that we have that done, we are the Mothership. How much do all these cost? The attack drone costs a fair amount, but the defense drone and the harvester drone do not cost too much. I think the defense drone should be able to cost a little more, just because it's a defense drone and it's meant to save me from other things. Which we do want. Maybe a giant amount of hull there? I don't know. I do not like that. We don't really need a generator, but maybe some more thrusters? Here we go. It already costs 101p. Save as the defense drone. Okay, and the harvester drone shouldn't have to cost much. Our first thing being created right there. Oh, I can make 2. Okay, I have a full set. Ooh, we are in dangerous territory right now, so I will go and show off my drone in a different place. Oh, this thing shoots so cool. It's got those 2 beams, and then we've got the missiles, which I think, if we go to bindings, right mouse, set that to ripple fire, set that to ripple fire, exit, save, here we go. So, oh, I didn't do that, okay. So that fires really fast, which is nice. And those fire really fast. If I fire them both, I definitely have enough energy. I have an overpowered amount of energy. I do not have a shield, though. How much for a shield? Because I do want a shield. 720 credits. We are going to need to update the Mothership with a shield. That is what we're going to have to do, eventually. Now, for things, there's attack drone, defense drone, is that? Yeah, that's the defense drone, except it's taken a whole bunch of stuff. Why has it done that? Anyway, this doesn't matter, because I can make 2 drones at the same time. Another thing about these, they could at any point upgrade into any of these. Which I think I'll actually move the mothership there. Put attack drone there, defense, and harvester. Now, with this, I did this with my red playthrough. I had sort of attackers, then harvesters, then sort of more defense. I actually had carriers on that side, which is more defense on that side, then harvesters, then more of attackers, I guess. So, eventually we will upgrade these to be super overpowered when this thing costs 3000p, and there'll be giant ships. But for now, I don't want to spend too much of the video. In fact, I don't want to spend any more of the video making or building things. I want to make ships. I need 4 additional R to spawn the last ship. Does anyone have any R? There. Okay. Last ship is an attack drone. I have lots of attack drones. Another mothership, okay. Come, my fleet. These flak cannons do very good. Where is that brawler that I'm looking at? Oh, I've target locked all the way down there. Okay. Shall we? If target's locked, since these are engage my target, they should go attack the target even if it's off screen, right? There it is, down there. There it is. Hang on. What? Attack. What? Oh, it grabbed. Why does it do this? We cannot have you be here. In fact, just for the credits, I'm going to sell all my boys. I still have 2. Where are the other 2? Where are they? They're up here? No. There's one. There's the other. Okay, we will probably make some more. This is red territory. I need to make some drones fast. Build up, boys. That thing's awesome. I basically have a minigun of death. Oh, mothership may be attacking me, I do not know. Ah, I just died. I'm not very good at this, am I? I could trade R for C. I do need that shield projector though, so I need 720. Let's go get it. I did want to make a drone swarm today, but I think we're going to get the shield and upgrade. Oh my god, 2 motherships. Target locked. What's my max range? Not very far. Come on, mothership. You can't stand my barrage forever. I can sit off screen and still kill it. Ooh. A damaged station. Probably just spawned. Yeah. Let's go. Wow, motherships do not do well. They kinda die very easily. And I have enough for the shield projector. And also the rocket turret. Let's see. Now, I said I didn't want to be doing too much building, which I don't. But I do need some station projectors. Which I could get rid of those thrusters. Or I could just quickly plop that in here. Put some very non-ominous and totally not suspicious hull there. Put some of that there, and kind of make it look like a makeshift version of that. So, we mirror it. Definitely going to look like... It does go over both edges. Okay. I am going to grab this entire thing. What? We're gonna move it like that far over. Okay, and some hull. Maybe actually some containers. You'd never tell the difference between that and that, right? CVM. Good, it can mirror. And there, I believe? Acquire additional P. Upgrade. No, I can't. Exit, save. 3. So I can't have this. So I'm going to have the Corvette for the moment. But I still... I don't think I need any more upgrades. Just realized something. I can chuck some rocket turrets. Rocket turrets are very good if you know how to aim. Which, now with this new sort of thing that I have, I can do that very well. My new ability of auto-aim. You know, if I could sort of like copy this and put it there. If we can do that, I need to get the same sort of format as the last one did. See. Okay. Goes in like that. So how do I fix that? One there, one there, one there. But then you have to do something like that. That's confusing. Very, very confusing. Anyway, we are going to, very energetically, going to, where can I put this? I don't think I can put that anywhere. Only 2 rocket turrets? I'm ashamed. That's like 2,000 R capacity. We do not need those containers. What we do need, more rocket turrets. Yes. Why is this? Is that center? Yes, it is. Okay. Good. I like rocket turrets, as you can probably tell. I won't be able to copy this, will I? And by copy this, I mean mirror it. Oh, I can. Okay. Gonna mirror that, put on some extra armor, even though it's not really needed. Why not? Once again, I do not want to spend too much time building. I think that's it. Exit, save. I have to metamorphize back into the Corvette, sadly. But not for long. Once I get enough to upgrade that, 1,200, it'll be a little bit. Just, we need to wait. I will be making a drone swarm. This will just sort of be an extension to the last video. But the thing with rockets, turrets, is that they have infinite range. So, if you so desire, you can auto aim at a target and kill them pretty easily. Harvest the drone. Okay. Target acquired. Target locked. Yes. Give me the resource. Oh my god. I'm so slow I can't get any resource. Ooh. Look at that. Ooh, look at this. Let's destroy this bad boy. Yeah. Okay. Back to the station. Lots of goodies. This might not take so long. Just maybe 2 more, which is like 1,000 credits. I believe you get credits a lot faster if you make drones and then sell them. But you know what? Do I really care too much? Yes. Not really, actually. I don't really care that much. We are going to go kill some reds for resources. Yes! Station 0. Mothership, defense drone, harvester drone. It's got nothing, just those. Also, that's the new and improved version with the shields. Nice! I do like shields, in case you've wondered. No, some of that R is mine. Haha, I got some R. I need to be quicker about this. Because if I check... Yes, we really are running out of time. It's sad that I had to go back to being a Corvette, but that will probably change in the next video when we will make a giant mothership. And by make a giant mothership, I mean be the giant mothership again. And here are some enemies. Die, die, die. Target locking does help. No, I didn't notice you there. You had to take all the R, didn't you? Oh. Oh, I can just randomly press R and lock onto a random target. Nice. I can just select a random target and destroy it. I can destroy the destroyer. Ow. Here it is. What are these things doing? As soon as I came near it, it went into play. Harvest drones, cute. So close. And then I think that last upgrade, no, it'll be one upgrade away. Oh, look at all this R. No, the faster things always get to it first. I was just checking out my ship. Here it is. Next upgrade. One more upgrade. 570C, let's go. Nope. Yes, don't take the big red orb. Good, 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 good. Very bad defense drone. Then again, if it fit in a defense drone, it probably wasn't a lot. The red orbs don't mean a lot, it just means it was from a dead thing. I don't want to go over time too much on this video. Oh, we still got 4 minutes. I need to get more. Okay, there's a brawler down there with a 111p. Ow. Asteroids. Ooh. The missiles are finally smart and go around asteroids. Are they? Yeah, they are. Haha, insta-killed it with the railgun. Let's go. Kill that brawler. Kill that claw. Oh no, I died! I need to not die. I need stuff. Come on. I only have 91 credits. I need more. Die. The farmer faction is like super easy mode. You quite literally do not need to have most of the stuff you do. You don't even need to worry about R, which means you don't need to worry about credits at all. Ow. I need to stop dying. Because at this rate, I will probably never get the amount of credits I need. 570. That is a lot of credits. Don't know if I'll be able to make it in this one video. Ah! I might not be able to make it in this one video. That is not good. I need to try and... That's a mothership. That is one dead mothership. Usually you can get like 200 and something credits just on, maybe even 300 just on saving a damaged station. But I don't think I'll be able to find a damaged station in 2 minutes. Which I believe that 2 minutes is already up. Well. Sorry we couldn't get back to being the mothership again today. But we will do that next video. Thanks for coming by, have a great day, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you later. Bye!